you ever noticed or even wondered why public procurement in Nigeria does not randomly fail? This is because the system consistently and intentionally rewards visibility, access, and relationships over value, impact, and delivery, no matter who is in power. Which means you have to know somebody that knows somebody that knows another person that knows another person that knows the matter of them all before you can get a contract in Nigeria. With every election cycle, you need to pay attention to this play. Now let's talk about our first misaligned priorities. Tell me why Nigeria still has well over 18 million out-of-school children, yet public spending continue to prioritize high visibility infrastructure rather than impact. Take Katsina Airport for instance. This particular airport, it has faced persistent questions about weak economic impact and low traffic. Or is it the Akure Cargo Airport that was originally designed for trade expansion? Reports has it that it is currently being underutilized. Let's not even talk about Ebonyi. Kogi is even joining the trend. Meanwhile, many public schools that exist on paper, they actually lack teachers and basic learning material. And primary healthcare centers remain understaffed and under-resourced. The system rewards what is visible, not necessarily what works. Our second misaligned priority is captured competition. You see, public procurement in Nigeria is designed to be competitive and transparent, but proximity to political and administrative power frequently overrides open competition, limiting the effectiveness of the Public Procurement Act in guaranteeing fairness. Road projects like the Abuja-Kaduna Zaria and Kano Road have faced repeated delays, cost variation, and contractor disputes, raising serious questions about delivery capacity and contract management. You find a small pool of firms constantly dominating major contracts, while other SMEs are shut out. We all know that life in Nigeria comes with unequal opportunities, but the public procurement system should not make matters even worse. The system easily rewards man no man, not what you can deliver. Our third issue in Nigeria is unaccountable execution. Audit reports over the past years have flagged billions of naira in procurement irregularity. The focus has remained on whether the projects were actually budgeted and paid for, rather than knowing if they actually improved outcomes. In health, the 2025 National Primary Healthcare Development Agency report shows that over 2,100 PHCs were actually upgraded nationwide. Yet, independent assessment actually shows a huge gap between what was upgraded and actual service delivery on the ground. And you know that these findings form part of the 197.72 billion naira in contract irregularities, including payments for partially executed projects and even projects that were not even executed. Across sectors, the pattern is always the same. Projects are marked completed, but services do not actually reach the people. The system allows money to move without results. The outcome is not more than this. Public money is spent, but public value is not delivered. The fix is not complicated as we know, but we know that, number one, payments can be tied strictly to verified results. 2, you can use the Freedom of Information Act to ask questions like who truly owns the company executing public projects in my community. Number 3, we can make sign-off require citizen confirmation before final payments. This is going to bring about a procurement system that answers to the citizens and not just the contractors, and ensure that Auditor General's findings lead to penalties and consequences, not just reports. Finally, my fellow Nigerians, the 2027 general election is around the corner. Shine your eyes well. You know that the deal is often to reward political allies, not citizens. Public procurement in Nigeria must reward value over connections and performance over access. Otherwise, the system will continue to fail.